So here I've just started to mold some pieces, especially in the corners. It's better to mold the insulation first and then lay it down in some of these hard areas. It just makes the final installation way easier because it's already been shaped. I've just chucked it on a time lapse because it does take a lot of time and patience to get through. The roller that I'm using, I just got it from like a random paint shop. It's a aluminium roller, and I just rolled it over with masking tape because it does have these weird sharp edges. So I just rolled it, made it a nice egg shaped roller that I'm just using to roll on. Depends what type of roller you use, the shape will make a dent into the insulation. For me, I'm not worried about it as long as like I've got the whole floor covered, which I'm happy with. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse. And then sorry about the noise everyone, but I'm just in a fucking really loud area. For this section, we're gonna be molding this corner piece to make everything easier. So you can either lay it down in a sheet, but it's a bit hard because you got weird shapes, you got weird corners, you've got, I don't know if you can see the lines there, you got different indentations of the chassis. For this one, we've made a mold. Now we're removing the backing paper and then we're gonna lay it on, roll it on. And yeah, normal paintbrush roller can do it. But you want something with a little bit of more weight to press down on. Yes, you can heat it up with a heat gun, which I'm gonna do afterwards when the whole process has been laid on. So yeah, enjoy the time lapse. We're doing the gear shifted tunnel now. Shit takes forever. Take your time and do it. These come in an A3 size sheet, so you're gonna have to cut it, make it fit. You can mold it, make it easier to get all those shapes. It just takes way too long sometimes. I just laid it on. Cut the sheet open, laid it on to the gear shifter tunnel, handbrake tunnel, whatever you call it. Time lapse. Let's jump on the other side. So we're doing the other side of the gear shifter tunnel. Not using the original handbrake cable from the Ke70 Corolla.